It's Divergence Day here on Thursday. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S update for Thursday, July the 22nd. How about that? My apologies for no update yesterday. I actually had a meeting outside my office and I forgot to bring my update gear. So my apologies to all. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends at the CTG Group or Capital Trading Group. And of course, I have many brokers, but why Capital Trading? Very simple. Great customer service. They have got great managed futures products. They're the only ones I've authorized to do our letter of direction trading, and they do all my accounts. So if you want more information, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. In the meantime, wow, what diverging markets we got. I mean, we had a big break Monday, big rally Tuesday, rally yesterday. Today, you've got the Dow down 66, not a big deal. The NASDAQ is up 80, which is interesting as they diverge because they were reversed early this morning. The S&P is flat and the Russell is down 300. Okay, but it has had a pretty big move. So look, at the end of the day, okay, again, we trade mechanically. Our positions are what they were, long everything but the Russell. Okay, so it's been a pretty good couple of days there. And of course, in crude oil, okay, crude is higher, which we're still long after the debacle or beatdown it took on Monday. Okay, it has now recovered a big percentage of those losses. And of course, that's the other thing. We don't get shaken out too fast because we're mechanically trading via the trend. Okay, gold is dead flat at the moment, but it looks pretty bad. Now, again, it doesn't mean that the trend can't change. We're still short. Okay, and we are still short silver, which has broken down. Platinum, which we no longer trade because of liquidity, but it's slightly positive on the day. We would be short, though. If we did trade it, we would be short. Okay. The nat gas, oh my God, it went down today. It can't be. No, it's nat gas is a bit lower. Amazing with this administration. Okay, and you've got copper, which is charging higher after its debacle earlier in the week. You know, look, it's going to whip around, and it's consolidating again, and it's going to make a decision whether to break to the upper or downside. Dollar slightly lower, nothing to speak about, still on a pretty good surge higher. Bonds and notes are very mixed, but they're right near around unchanged. They were way down though, which is interesting, and then they came all the way back. So take from that what you will. I don't think there's anything really to take from it, but there's some movement there, but lots of indecision. And in the grain markets, corn lower, beans down big, 33 cents, wheat down 20. So you've now seen, again, this is a very challenging market. Now we are short, we're long corn, long beans, and short wheat. Okay. But at the end of the day, this is a challenging market because it's very thin, as we talk about, but you've got everybody out there playing weatherman because right now the only thing that's going to drive these grain markets is the weather. Okay. In the meats, okay, cattle, both fats and feeders are slightly higher. Okay. We are short both. Okay. And hogs, we reversed today to the long side and they're flat, slightly lower flat. Cotton is higher. We're long. Sugar is flat and we are long. Cocoa is up and we are short. And OJ is higher and we are long. And I saved coffee for last because coffee is up like over $30 in 2 days, 30 cents, okay, which is gigantic in that contract, and we're still long. So obviously a very favorable move for us, but very unusual to see that kind of move and that kind of product. So look, bottom line, markets are quiet. Markets suck. There's not much to do. Be very careful if you're going to trade. Okay, if you're trading mechanically, just follow the rules. That's what you need to do, because if you don't follow the rules, you end up in the toilet. And Bitcoin made a little bit of recovery yesterday, today, but still in a downtrend. And we are shorted in our new portfolio. So again, obviously I like it. I own Bitcoin, but it's very similar to the gold or silver. When I'm trading and investing have nothing to do with each other. In the meantime, don't forget our other brokerage partner, a Trader. Now I have other equity brokers as well, but for equities and options, it is Trader Brokerage. Okay, look at they're $10 a month. How can I beat that? Number one. Number two, they've got also great customer service. And remember, I'm shopping and working so that I can get my members the best deal for the best value. Okay. And of course, we've got their APIs, which allows us, if you want, it's up to you to automate your portfolios. This is part of your membership if you're a member of the equity portfolios. And it's free. Trader doesn't charge for it. We don't charge for it. The only software we charge for is for our hedging because that's a class, not a membership. So again, either way, Trader's great and it's very, very cost effective. You save a fortune. And, Family Farmers, which I'll be there Monday, and I'm excited. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll be speaking on Tuesday. My farming friends down in Missouri, but they're great, and they've got the same interest aligned with us, which is to take care of farmers. And, our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. What can I tell you? I say this to you every day. If you're a commodities trader or in the space and you're not reading this report, go see a doctor. You need a prescription because this is by far the best report ever written from a guy who knows what he's writing about. It's not just writing. He's been experienced and dealt with and trades it. Okay. And of course, our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. Have a great day, everybody. Be careful. It's quiet. It's tough. Watch yourself. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.